Hey guys, this is Will from CryptoFromBet.com. Today, guys, another great review for you guys. Today, I'll be looking at the cryptocurrency Luum, or commonly known also as Steller or XLM, against the US dollar and the Bitcoin. As you can see here, we are looking at Steller against the US dollar, and we see here recently there has been, you can see here, a bullish breakout from this pullback. And we see here that just a few hours ago, Steller had made a new all-time high of just under 0.4. And in addition to this, today's a pretty bad day for the crypto market. We see a lot of coins down 10%, 20%. Steller is one of those coins that's still up since yesterday, so that's pretty nice. And we see here that since November, we see almost a curve pattern occurring. But anyways, something I'd like to point out is the fact that if you go through log, we see here that in fact the structure becomes more obvious, and we see a very obvious two channels occurring. You can see here the first one from initially occurring from May, starting from May, after the first bullish breakout. We see here that after May, Steller was in basically a bearish channel for many months until we see here mid-September reaching its low of 0.0075, and since then we see here that price has been in bullish channels ever since mid-September, and heading into December, we see here price has been booming since the start of December, and now we are again approaching some key resistance. Of course, you see the pullback occurring here. And interesting is the fact that how well price has respected in both the channels since the start of May. And in fact, it's very, very obvious that price is approaching key resistance, and the fact that price has respected both the key resistance and supported so far, it's quite interesting. And as we can see here, price basically just barely touched key resistance. But interesting is the fact that usually we could see, because we see this massive bullish move to the upside, we could potentially see further push nearing basically this key resistance. Could we see price hitting 0.5, half a dollar? That's highly potential. But of course, there's usually if prices increase, we see here that there is a massive room for Steller to have a pullback, which could bring price, guys, to as low as 0.15, 0.14, which is quite scary. But anyways, guys, price is currently at its top part, just under key resistance. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated whether price will break through this key resistance or not, and whether there will be a pullback, small or maybe massive pullback to this strong key support here. Now, looking at Steller against the Bitcoin, we see here that since its inception in 2016, we see a bearish channel occurring against the Bitcoin. But ever since, we see here the first bullish breakout occurring in April, May, and of course this massive rise against the Bitcoin. We also see here, evidented by this move up, as you guys can see here. And of course, as Bitcoin soars, you see that the ratio quickly decreases back down here. And obviously, we can pretty much draw the key support occurring here, in which this key support has been tested multiple times. We see here 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a span of, I believe, 5 months. And now we see here that price, Steller, has been pretty much booming against the Bitcoin since the start of December. Of course, evident by here since the start of December, evident by this rise as well. But interesting enough, this rise is, of course, it looks more vertical against the Bitcoin, especially the past few days, and that's because Bitcoin hasn't really moved much the past few days. In fact, it's been declining for the past few days. As you guys know, there's also bearish news surrounding Bitcoin, the fact that South Korea has passed a bill to regulate Bitcoin. You can see here that the result of this is the fact that just Luum is just continuing to boom against the Bitcoin. Now, whether it's hard to see in this ratio where any potential key resistance is, but anyways, we see that Price has been in a range here before, and we could potentially see that occurring again as a potential key resistance for this ratio. But anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated if Steller does continue its move against the Bitcoin, or if it does manage to have a bullish breakout from the bullish channel, or potentially a pullback. I'll keep you guys updated. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys find this video informative, please like and of course subscribe for more analysis video. For those of you guys who are interested in more analysis video regarding cryptocurrency trading or cryptocurrency mining, please visit cryptoforbet.com. Good luck, traders, and have a nice day.